This is why we need the van. No fun getting in and out of this truck.
I don't need a stinking van. Watch this.
Yeah, he likes his truck. But look at how hard it is now for him to get in and out.
Been doing it for 20 years.
He has been doing it for 20 years, but you know, he's getting a little older now.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
And yes, I would normally be helping him if I'm with him.
Doesn't.
If I'm with him, I help him.
Oh, the fucking thing's on the back.
Oh, you said the F word. But this, if he goes by himself, this is what he has to deal with. Ta-da! Yep, this is it. This is how he gets in and out of his truck every time he wants to go anywhere. And the spasms start. Look at his leg. Just from transferring. Please bear with us. We just thought it was important for you all to see how much time and effort it takes for him to do this each and every time he gets in the vehicle. He has to grab it with his wrist. And he's done. Such a struggle just to get in the car.
Turn the damn camera off. Let's go.
Here he is getting back in his truck in traffic. There was no handicap accessible parking available. Here goes those spasms again.
Whoa.
Check out the ramp. Comes straight out from underneath the van. There you go, over the curb. Be much easier with the remote. Here he goes up into the van, people. That's how quick and easy it was. And he rolls off.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
And then because his torso is really wobbly due to his high injury, it's a weeble wobble, so that takes a little bit of adjustment to get into the seat right.
He wobble, but don't fall down.
But he does fall down a lot.
I do not.
Yes, you do.
Unless there's bourbon involved.
Oh my gosh. Then you don't even, oh my gosh. Then I'm in trouble. Anyway, so there he is. He's in the driver's seat. Now he gets feet, gets situated. So explain the chair.
My chair?
The 6-way power seat.
Driver's seat is a motorized 6-direction captain's chair, right? Spins left and right, 1, 2, up and down, 3, 4, forward and back, 5, 6. This is the problem.
He has to get his feet situated. Housing compartment thing. Anyway. See,
Right?
yeah,
Left.
you can still see his foot's not in where it should be. He's still got to bring it in. There you go.
We're going to slide forward.
And you'll see that the passenger seat's a little bit higher because we put a swivel base on that seat too. So it raised it a couple inches. So anyway, there he is in the driver's seat. Ready to go in the van. Here's his chair. Here we are on a road trip. In the van. Together.
We're on a road trip. I don't know where I am. I think I want for breakfast some green eggs and ham.
Oh, great. Great singing, honey. Let's see if you can see Gunner back there.
Gunner!
He's on the bed. Oh, there he is. Well, let me zoom, but he's back there. On the bed.
Thanks for coming by. We appreciate each and every one of you. Come on by for the live stream. Wednesdays at 4, Saturdays at 6 Pacific time. You know you want to. Love ya.